Hello viewers, this video is once again about blank screen or stuck computer. So don't worry about your hang computer. We will use different methods to get out of the hang PC or to avoid Ctrl Alt Delete or power button. At first we will use a method and then we will try to minimize the reoccurring of hang or blank screen. Now on screen please. We will first find the solution and then we will try to minimize the effects of hang or blank screen or stuck computer. Press from your keyboard Ctrl Shift and Escape. This wizard appears. So first try to locate which app is hang or cause of hang. So click on that and right click End Task. If the problem resolved, it's fine, or otherwise we will go further. If the problem doesn't resolve, click on Run New Task and type explorer.exe explorer.exe. Click on OK and a new window appears, and with this your problem would resolve. In case if your problem resolved, so we will proceed further for minimizing the same effects. It's in front of you. Now let's go to minimize it. Window key plus R and type DFRGUI. Click on OK and click C drive and optimize. It will take a little time to rearrange and organize your software. I strongly suggest to go for the next drive, any drive you do have, and optimize this. I also strongly suggest to click change setting and select a monthly schedule of the same, or weekly schedule is more fine. You can select one drive or multiple drive, but C drive should be selected on weekly basis. Click on OK, then OK and close. With this your system will avoid this. In case if it doesn't work, use Ctrl Alt Delete. And in case if Ctrl Alt Del fails, so go and long press on power button and restart your PC. If detachable battery is attached with your PC, take it off and restart your PC. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.